Welcome to Pair Programming with Harish. I'm Harish Kannarao. In this video, I'm going to demonstrate how to install Gradle build tool on Windows as a non-administrative user without having administrative rights. And I'm going to do a manual installation of Gradle, which is one of a build tool used for Java projects. So this is the official website of Gradle, and I'm going to demonstrate how to install the build tool on Windows. So the first thing is we have to go to the documentation and navigate to the installation section. So this section covers the instructions for various operating systems, Linux, Mac, Windows. So today we are going to focus on the Windows installation. So let me navigate to Windows installation, and by default it will be collapsed. You can expand the instruction by clicking on the plus icon. So the first step is to download the Gradle distribution. So you can follow the download URL, which is here, and the latest version is 9.4.1, and the link is available as binary only or complete. For most general purpose, binary only download is sufficient. So click on the binary only URL, and you will have the zip file of Gradle 9.4.1. So before we begin the installation, we have to verify if the Java is installed and set up correctly. So in order to verify Java, open the PowerShell and verify if the Java is installed by typing Java space dash version. So let me try that, Java dash version. So I have got OpenJDK 25, which is fine, and also for some of the plugins that runs through Gradle, it might also look for a special environment variable called Java underscore home. So let's verify that we have also set the environment variable, echo space $env colon all caps Java underscore home. Yes, so this is the location, my installation of JDK. So this is set as environment variable Java home. So everything is fine. So let's close the PowerShell. Our prerequisite is satisfied. So once we have the Gradle zip file, the binary zip file, we can copy it to any of our location. It can be in downloads, or for my purpose, I used to group all the tools in one single location. So let me copy the zip file and go to a location called tools. So it can be anywhere as long as the user has access to the directory. It can be installed anywhere within the hard disk. So let it open. It's a bit slow. I'm running the Windows on a virtual machine. Yeah, so if I go to the tools location, let me paste the you can see my Java installation and a Maven, which is another build tool, which is also installed in the same location. So let me paste the binary zip file here, paste. So once it is copied, I will extract in the same location. Yeah, so taking a while to refresh. Yeah, there it is. So once it is copied, let me extract to the same location. Right click on it and choose the option extract all. Still thinking. Extract all. We can extract to the same directory. We don't have to extract to a different location. So I'm choosing the same destination. Yeah, please make a note of this Windows location, because we have to add the same location into the path environment variable of Windows. So it's extracting. It's a binary of about 107 MB. So the extraction is almost done. So we'll just wait for a few seconds till it gets completed. Yeah, it's almost there. So the binaries has got all the jars and other properties that the Gradle tool needs. Okay, the extraction is almost complete. Okay, yep, it's done. So let it finish. So so we have a directory gradle-9.4.1-bin. The bin stands for binary. So still thinking. It's all done. Okay, so we have the directory. So let's go into the directory, and because of the nature of Windows extraction, there will be another folder that got created within the main directory. So if we go into this one, we will see the full installation of Gradle. And within this, the important directory is bin, which contains the binary executables. So let's go into the bin directory and make sure that we copy the path. So if I click on the empty space on top of the Windows File Explorer, it will show the location. So you can see it's available in C, Users, Windows, Tools, Gradle. So make a note of this one. Now we have to add this full path up to the bin to the path environment variable at user level. So click on the start menu and search for environment. Yeah, if you just type environment, there will be two options that will appear. One is the system environment variables and the user level environment variables. So we are interested in this part, edit environment variables for your account. So in order to edit the environment variables at this level, we don't need administrative access. So let's click on this one. So don't do it at the system environment level. So we open the environment variables for user account level, not at the system level. That's the key thing. So you can see the two sections here. So as you can see at the user variable for Windows, I have added the Java home. Make sure that you have the Java installed and the environment variable set. So there is a separate video which I'll add it in the description. And now click on the path, click edit. You can see I have added the Java bin directory and also the Maven tool bin directory. Likewise, I'm going to click on browse, and navigate to the same place as we had seen, which is this PC, C directory, users, Windows, and there is a folder called tools. Oops. Where is it? Let me just expand it. Yeah, there it is. Tools. And within tools, expand the Gradle, and you can see a folder under it and which contains the bin directory. So make sure you choose the bin directory within the Gradle-9.4.1. Click OK, and we should see a new entry for the Gradle, and click OK and OK. So that refreshes everything. So if you have existing PowerShell, please close it and open a new PowerShell and verify that Java is present and Gradle is should be working. So in order to verify it, let's open the PowerShell. So first thing first, verify the Java version. Java space dash version. Yeah, Java space dash version, and we should see Java 25 on my machine. Likewise, now it's time to verify the Gradle. So with Gradle, remember it's Gradle space dash v, not the full version, it's just dash v, and it will give the vital information on which version of Java it has picked. Obviously, since it's Java 25 which is available on the PowerShell, the Gradle will also make use of the same Java version when it runs. Still thinking? Come on. Yeah, as you can see, the Gradle version 9.4.1 is installed, and it has picked up the Java version 25 based on the Java home. Yeah, you can see that using current Java home. So it's definitely makes use of the environment variable as well. So yeah, hope this was informative. Thanks for watching. Bye.